Hello everyone, today we've received a compact diagnostic scanner from Mucar, the BT200 Max. It comes in this compact packaging, with the device itself pictured on the front and its features listed on the back. Well, let's move on to unpacking and see what's inside. In the kit you will find quick start guide, fabric carrying case with zipper, and of course the Mucar BT200 Max diagnostic tool itself. Built for both professional mechanics and car lover owners, this next-generation Bluetooth diagnostic tool delivers powerful features at a competitive price, redefining the repair experience for users worldwide, standing out distinctly from existing solutions. Crafted by Mucar for car enthusiasts everywhere, this product delivers extreme value without compromising performance. It elevates every aspect of the automotive journey. Here is a brief overview of the features of Mucar BT200 Max. Lifetime free full system diagnostics. Lifetime free updates in 15 maintenance resets. Full OBD2 data access. Bi-directional control/active test, covering 98% of cars in the US, Europe, and Asia. In addition to the above basic functions, Mucar BT200 Max also has some highlights. AI fault code analysis. It can easily perform diagnostic scans through the $Fix app. After diagnosis, DFGPT provides error code analysis and answers to car maintenance questions. Compatible with third-party apps. Works with any app that supports the ELM327 protocol, connecting and performing OBD-related functions. Smart sleep. No need to unplug the connector after each use. Even if the connector is plugged in the car for a long time, it will not consume the battery power, which is convenient for next use and don't have to worry about losing it. This smart sleep mode ensures zero battery drain even if left permanently plugged in. Manage overspeed and coolant high temperature alerts. When the Fix app is open, the app will obtain the vehicle speed and coolant temperature. If they exceed the limit, the app will alarm to protect the safety. Custom dashboard. Choose preferred OBD data streams and view them with dynamic, real-time visuals. Overvoltage protection. Safeguards hardware from damage by preventing motherboard burnout during voltage spikes. Not just smarter on the inside, it's totally upgraded on the outside too. Mucar BT200 Max features a refined design with a premium gray finish and sleek, clean lines. It's built to look great while delivering top performance. Every detail has been carefully crafted to deliver both functionality and visual appeal, making it not only a reliable tool but also a stylish accessory for any tech-savvy user. DFAI is a standout feature that makes the Mucar BT200 Max special. Mucar is committed to making diagnostic tools smarter with ever-evolving AI technology. Refined through 3 significant iterations and trained on over 10 million diagnostic data points, Mucar's custom-optimized AI model rivals the decision-making capability of seasoned diagnostic experts. And by the way, the newly launched premium model in H1 2025, the Mucar 892BT, has received a powerful AI and new feature upgrade, including mileage verification, which detects odometer tampering through multi-system data comparison, ensuring accurate, reliable, and trustworthy mileage readings. Wi-Fi connectivity is recommended to ensure timely updates, delivering continuous improvements in performance, stability, and feature capabilities. With the launch of the Mucar BT200 Max, Mucar is not only ushering in a new chapter of car care technology, but also setting a bold new standard for the industry. Whether for DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic, this diagnostic tool combines powerful performance with a smooth, premium design, built to impress and perform. Just as embodied by the brand color 365ABD, Mucar is committed to delivering reliable diagnostic services 365 days a year, with relentless innovation and a constant drive to reach new heights. To sum it up, is the Mucar BT200 Max worth it? I'll put it this way. If you want a tool that doesn't just read errors, but actually helps you understand what and how to fix, if it's important to you that it works with multiple car brands, if you don't want to constantly pull the cord, worry about a dead battery, and overpay for updates, then this beauty is definitely worth the money. With its full diagnostics of all major systems, 15+ resets, AI analysis, smart sleep mode, and compatibility with ELM327 apps, you get a versatile tool for both the garage and professional work. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.